Hello guys, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to change the color of multiple placeholders and the text entered in the input fields. So what we are going to do is we are going to create a form. Let's add a div element and here we'll add an input. So type will be text. The name will be first name and the placeholder will also be first name. Let's add a submit button. The type will be submit. The name will also be submit. The ID will also be submit. And the value, I'll give it send. We'll preview this on the browser. So we get a placeholder that is light gray in color, which is usually the default color for most browsers. So this might be difficult for some users to read. So to make it user-friendly, we can add some styling. We will add a style element here. And to access the placeholder attribute, we'll use input, double colon, and then type placeholder. We'll give it a red color. Let's view this. You can see that the color of the placeholder has changed to red. Let's style the body content. We'll also style the input field. Let's add another input. The type will be text. The name will be last name. And the placeholder will also be last name. Let's view this. So the red color has been applied to the two placeholders. Add another input. The type will be email. The name will be email. And the placeholder will be your email at gmail.com. Let's view this once again. So if you continue adding more input fields with a placeholder attribute, the placeholders will always have the same color. To apply a different color for each placeholder, we can add a class attribute to each input. And instead of input here, we use the class selector. And now if we view this, the red color is only applied to the first placeholder. We'll do the same for the other placeholders. We'll give this a blue color. And this one a green color. Now a different color is applied to each placeholder. So if we type here sample values, the text entered in all input fields is of the same color. We can apply different colors. To do that, we'll use the class selectors. If we now type the values again, every text entered has a different color. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.